Good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Didi. Your girl been lost in the sauce. I just been working a lot. So we're gonna try to do a little reset. Today is I think it's Saturday. I've been very tired. I'm tired now. And let's clean up a little bit. It ain't gonna be much. It's probably gonna be like a 5 to 10 minute video. But let's go ahead and clean up real quick. Grown man right here. Hey, good morning. And I don't know where this mess came from. Hey, big boy. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, it's your girl Didi. My real name is Divinity, but I just go by D or Didi. Today is Saturday, August 8th, 2026. My birthday was actually yesterday, so I'm very tired just from working and taking care of the baby. Your girl is super duper tired. So if I look super tired, I am okay, y'all. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on socials, and my schedule may be a little crazy since I am back working and my schedule is just all over the place. I am doing something every day of the week. I try to rest Sundays. So today is, like I said, Saturday, and your girl is just super duper tired. But if you are new, please be sure to like, subscribe. And if you've been rocking with me, thank you so much. And I'm going to talk to y'all throughout the video. Thank you guys for watching. lie to y'all. When I tell you about this refrigerator needs to be clean. I went shopping this month and did not clean the refrigerator. Just me working. Your girl don't be having that much energy. What the refrigerator got going on? Okay. This is what we working with. So y'all see how it look? It's just kinda getting a little messy. And if you look up close, y'all could definitely see the dirt. So I'm gonna tackle that right now. All right, let's get to it. Who water is this? So many cups in the refrigerator. I do not like that, but I did fill these cups up for my boys, so it's time to get all the dishes out the refrigerator. So my kids, to my kids, if y'all have any cups, I'm not gonna be in there no more. We already been smashing this. I'm back to eating pork again, y'all. I try to stop, but it's just so good. Who, me? No. These are super duper good. And I have not made breakfast yet. It's late, but I'm a breakfast type of girl. Actually, it's about 10:41, so I might make some of this. Don't know. I kind of want my salmon, however you say it, whatever. My fish. How you say it? Salmon. There, my daughter just helps me. This stuff is not gonna be neat. I'm just throwing this stuff back in here.
Look at one. Want me to get it for you?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna be showing you what I got. Turkey hot dog. This was my kids stuff. I don't really eat that, but it's so good. Still gotta put this stuff up. Yeah. I do not let my kids waste waters. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna be doing the freezer because the freezer is basically gonna stay how it is. I'll clean it a little bit, but it ain't gonna be nothing that I'm gonna record. Love this, y'all. It's so good. And I already showed y'all my syrups for my coffee. And that's it, y'all. So, yep. The pantry over there. I'm not gonna really even do the pantry this time, but this is what the house is giving. What the house is giving.
Why do you want this?
No, I sure don't. I'm gonna cook you some breakfast.
I'm gonna eat it for later.
All right. Now, y'all, I'm finna just cook. I'm finna end this here. I just needed to put some content. I literally woke up and was like, content. I feel good. I got a little bit of rest. Finally, my kids let me go to sleep. They kept busting in my room every 2 seconds when I was trying to go to sleep. Mind you, I just had a full work week. Okay. So your girl was tired, but I think I feel okay. I started to get a little rest Friday after work. By the time Saturday hit, I normally have a little energy, so today is Saturday. But yeah, y'all, so I don't know how my posting schedule is going or what's going on with my posting content schedule, but I'm just gonna post when I can. Also, I do have a little video that me and the baby's going to do, so that will be the next video. Love y'all. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next video. This is what I end up making to eat. So I just finished cleaning the kitchen and now I'm eating. I just thought I'd pop on and show y'all. Excuse you.